Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're managing your business finances and want to stay on top of every dollar, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add transactions step by step in QuickBooks Online in 2025, so you can keep your books accurate and up to date without any stress. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a few tips to make this process even faster. First, let's log in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your accounts. To add a transaction, we'll focus on two main types, income and expenses. Navigate to the plus new button on the left-hand menu, click the plus new button. This is where all the transaction options are located, from invoices to bills, expenses, and bank deposits. Choose the type of transaction. Decide what type of transaction you want to add. For example, if you received a payment from a client, select Invoice or Bank Deposit. If you paid a vendor, choose Expense or Bill. Fill in the transaction details. Now enter the details carefully. For income, include the customer name, payment method, date, and the account you want the money deposited into. For expenses, include the vendor name, payment method, date, amount, and the category or account the expense belongs to. QuickBooks helps you categorize expenses so your financial reports stay accurate. Attach receipts. Optional but recommended. QuickBooks Online lets you attach receipts. This makes bookkeeping easier and ensures everything is verified if needed for taxes. Save and review. Once all details are filled in, click Save and Close or Save and New if you want to add another transaction. Always double-check the information to make sure your records are accurate. Reconcile regularly. After adding transactions, regularly reconcile your accounts. This ensures your QuickBooks balance matches your bank statements, which is key to maintaining accurate books. And that's it. Adding transactions in QuickBooks Online is simple once you know the steps. By following this guide, you'll have clean, organized financial records and a much easier time managing your business finances. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I love helping you keep your finances on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.